Welcome back students with the next topic of your science that are given on the page number 67 and 68. We have in the earlier topics we have completed the combustion, fuel, combustible, non-combustible substances and how will you extinguish the fire also. So we are moving one more step in your book, in your lesson, and with the new topic that is ignition temperature given on the page number 67. What is ignition temperature? It is the lowest temperature at which a fuel starts burning. You can burn the matchstick just by rubbing it with the side of the matchbox. When you burn the matchstick while rubbing it along the side of the matchbox, there occurs some friction, and with friction there occurs a little bit increase in the temperature, and with little bit increase in the temperature the matchstick gets fire easily. So that is the ignition temperature at which any substance at a very low temperature it catches fire and starts burning in the presence of oxygen to release heat energy and light energy, just like a matchstick. Now if we compare the dry wood and wet wood, एक सूखी लकड़ी है और एक गीली लकड़ी है, if you compare the ignition temperature of both these things, you will see that dry wood will catch fire easily as compared to that of wet wood. Why? Because dry wood has less ignition temperature as compared to that of wet wood which has more ignition temperature. एक सूखी लकड़ी गीली लकड़ी के मुकाबले में ज़्यादा जल्दी आग पकड़ेगी क्योंकि उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर गीली लकड़ी के मुकाबले में बहुत कम होता है. Similarly, gases also have ignition temperature very less as compared to that of solid fuels. LPG. You use LPG at your home in kitchens, just with a lighter, with a spark of light, you start burning the gas stove. But you can't burn a wood or coal by using that simple lighter. आप लाइटर से गैस जला सकते हैं, लेकिन आप लाइटर से वुड या कोल नहीं जला सकते क्योंकि उनको जलाने के लिए हाई टेम्परेचर चाहिए, एज बिकॉज दे हैव हाई इग्निशन टेम्परेचर एज कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ gases. Similarly, liquids also have less ignition temperature than that of solid, but they have high ignition temperature as compared to that of gases. So they come in the middle. They have high ignition temperature than gases, but low ignition temperature than that of solid. Now after ignition temperature, we are here with the next topic, that is inflammable substances which catches fire easily. I think you have seen the tankers which run on the road taking the LPG gases and taking the petrol or diesel. They have a very bold letters written there on the tanks that highly inflammable substances. That means they contains a substance which catches fire very easily. In some videos, YouTube's, I think you have seen during the petrol pumps. On the petrol pumps, while refilling the petrol, the tanks get fire. While refilling the petrol in the tanks of the car or the motorcycles, just because of the radiations of the mobiles, the fuel catch fire easily, and that is just because of the fact that petroleum or petrol has a very low or less ignition temperature, and it just catches fire due to the heat of the high temperature sunlight or just because of the radiations of the mobiles also. So it is highly restricted or strictly prohibited that not to use the mobile at petrol stations while refilling the petrol, because it can catch fire. So highly inflammable substances includes natural gases and petrol. They are very sensitive to the radiations also and very easily catch fire. And another example of it is just like the forest fire. The dry grass is present at the lower part of the forest, and due to the heat, when there is summer days and high temperature, due to some friction of the wood also, when they rub each other, they catch fire, because the dry wood has very less ignition temperature, and it soon very fastly catches the fire and get converted into the forest fire. Whenever you listen the news, that forest fires has occurred in the forest of these Australia or Canada or wherever in the world, that is just because of the dry grasses which catch fire first very easily due to the less ignition temperature, and ultimately the complete forest catches the fire and everything gets lost. So forest fire, petroleum products, everything which catches fire very easily, that has a common reason, that is less ignition temperature. Due to less ignition temperature, it catches fire and ultimately becomes very explosive or uncontrollable also. So I think you have understood this chapter. We will read the chapter that is given on the page number 67 and 68, and for your homework for today is write examples of the combustible substances just like forest fire. Forest fire is an example of combustible substance, and you have to write the inflammable substance and combustible substances examples, as many as you can.